Okay. Has anyone seen this weird post floating around the internet about Bill Nye manufacturing illegal drugs? This dude was my childhood hero, so it's hard for me to believe that he would do something like this. Is this just a totally bogus story? I saw this post on Reddit, and it was shared by a user named Koala Vengeance. The user posts a lot of content about drumming with the occasional dog photo, so nothing super out of the ordinary. But the fact that this post doesn't include a link or any other evidence is kind of a red flag. This post came from a subreddit called r/copypasta, which, according to Wikipedia and dictionary.com, copypasta is used interchangeably with copy and paste. Dictionary.com describes copypasta as a block of text that is continuously copy and pasted on social media, and a lot of times that is totally fictional. So that's another red flag. Reddit search didn't offer a link or a photo. We decided to do a simple keyword search. The first thing that popped up was this Snopes fact check from September, and you can stop worrying now. They rated this claim as satire. So there you have it. This is totally not legit. If you guys see anything you want us to check out, let us know by tagging us and using the hashtag, #IsThisLegit?